Hey guys, welcome to section 2 and we're going to kickstart this section with PHP comments. What are PHP comments? So I'm going to create a new PHP file just to let you know, and I'm going to say comments.php and create a new PHP script, and right here I'm going to do echo and I'm going to say what's up. And now I'm going to get back into Safari and then change this to comments, and then it shows what's up. So this is pretty good. But at the same time, let's just say that you are a developer and I'm a developer, and I want to let you know something. I want to tell you, like, let's say we are a team together and we are developing this application. I want to let you know that I have completed up to this thing and this is what you have to do. This is what your to-do is. Or else I want to let you know, don't touch this specific line of code because I've worked on this. So how can developers communicate with each other? That's one point. And the second point is, if I want to get a new developer, if we want to get a new developer in our team, how can we make that guy understand our code better? Because if we can like tell them descriptions, this is what this code does, they can understand the code better, yeah? And at the same time, if I can tell you different things to do this, or this is what I've done, you can also understand the code better. So that's why we use comments. Comments are basically lines of code that doesn't get executed by your backend or by your browser. Those are just lines of code that are only readable by your developer, to those two reasons that I just mentioned. So how you write a comment is in PHP, how you write a comment is by having two forward slashes, and now your entire line turns green, and green means it's a comment. And now here you can say the following line prints what's up. So I'm just giving a description of what this line does, so that if we have a new team member, I mean this comes on a broader project, right? I just gave you an example, but if you have a new team member, they can understand this line. Or else I can say in a comment, another thing I can do is I can say to do complete the pattern to finish the project. So that if you are developing this website together with me, I can say to do complete the pattern to finish the project, so that you know, okay, this is the pattern I need to complete, whatever a pattern that you guys were working with. And if you want to, let's say, specifically direct it to, let's say your name is Brian, I'm going to say Brian, so that Brian knows to do this and to delete this comment on when it comes to when you're publishing it on the live server. All right, those are comments. Let's head into the next lesson.